Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change subtitle in Netflix on iPhone or Android. Netflix gave users the option to customize the way subtitles appear beneath the content they're streaming. You can now make changes to the font style and size, among other things, so that you can easily read and comprehend quick dialogue or, in some cases, not miss a beat when you've got your volume set low. Customizing Netflix subtitle appearance should be double on a variety of device types. In some cases, certain modifications may only apply to the device via which you made the changes. In this video are the different methods you can try to make following along the closed captions and hassle-free experience specifically on Netflix. First, go to Settings, then tap Accessibility. Now, tap Hearing Enhancements, then tap Caption Preference. Now, you can customize your caption size and styles. Tap on it. Select again Caption Style. And choose whether you want in these styles and colors. Then you can select the text size. And you can create your own captions and styles in your subtitles on Netflix. If you like watching Netflix on the go through your Android phone or tablet, you can customize the look of subtitled by following these instructions. Launch the Netflix app, then tap your chosen profile. From the bottom or at the top, select My Netflix. Then hit the hamburger icon or tap Manage Profiles. Then select the profile you want to modify. After that, tap Subtitle Appearance and choose your preferred text size, text color, text edge style, text edge color, background color, and window color. Your new subtitle preferences should show up the next time you view something on Netflix via your Android phone or tablet. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.